Hello YouTube, I'm Kevin. Now today we're gonna see how to install appcake. Open Cydia. Let it load. Now this might take a while. No, don't listen to that. That's just my grandmother shouting. Cydia is opened. Now go to manage sources. Now just edit, add, and type sinful iPhone repo. Sinful iPhone repo.com. Now I'm not gonna hide it because I already have it. Okay, if you add it, you'll get something like this. I'll go inside and I'll go to appcake. Now you should install appsync. What iOS you have? Now you have appcake here, and just press on it. You just install it, and you just go. Appcake is a lot much like this. Oh, this is appcake. You can download apps, games. This is appcake. I'm downloading 2. Now you'll get many apps, top-rated apps and everything. Click on it. Click on something you want. Load, get download. Click any sources you want and swipe up. Okay, start Vegas. Now it takes a time to load. When it loads up, you'll give download, and then your file will be downloaded here. Yes, this appcake. I'll keep it and enjoy it. Thank you. I'm Kevin Jason.